Colleen Rothschild's Restore and Shine Quenching Hair Mask is fabulous. Now look at this great jar, because you're going to want to have this on your counter at all times. It will quench and shine your hair. I love to use all kinds of products on my hair, but a lot of times color and highlighting and heat can damage your hair, but this is the answer, and it will restore your hair to its natural shine. It will make it beautiful and hydrated and rich, and it is so luscious. This was provided for me to share with you as part of my hair care routine, and I love this mask. It is so luxurious. You will feel like you are getting a deluxe treatment at the spa. It is fantastic, and it is made with Bakura butter and Kabachi butter. Super rich, hydrating, superfoods for your hair. This is the holy grail for hair masks. It also has argan oil and shea butter. 3 butters and argan oil, you cannot beat it. These are all the ingredients that you're going to want in your hair. You're going to wash your hair and apply it while it's damp. Look at that hydrating goodness. Watch and see how we do it. Now you apply it right after shampooing generously to damp hair. Now you're going to see this delicious triple butter ointment in here is fabulous. Now you're going to thickly apply it generously all over your hair, to the roots, to the ends, and you'll leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes for an intensive treatment, or even longer for deep conditioning. I left it on for a good 10 minutes this first time I tried it, and let's see the results. It is luscious, it is packed, but it is lightweight and ultra hydrating. You see, I put it all the way in the back, and it will replenish your moisture without dragging down your hair. It's going to boost shine and tame frizz. It's going to ward off heat, styling, and chemical damage and everyday stresses, no matter what type or texture of hair you have. Just pile it on top of your head and let it sit there for 5 to 10 minutes or even longer, and you will enjoy its deep, rich benefits. So here you have it, luscious, thick, styled hair that's full of moisture and well hydrated because of this great product. I love the 3 butters and the oil combination that makes my hair shiny, easy to manage, and it's styled so easily. I used heat on my hair like I normally do, and it has no hint of any stress. It's just beautiful, shiny, and I really love the effect of this hair mask. I highly recommend it. It was provided for me, for my honest opinion, and it is a winner. I would definitely have it in my hair regimen.